good, guys? So got another video for y'all today. I got me a 2023 Honda CRF250R. I decided I wanted to do like flip dirt bikes, so I got this one for a pretty good deal. I got this for like $3,500 for a 2023 with only like 25 hours. Trying to sell it and flip it for like $5 grand. So how much is it? Like $1,500 profit. So yeah, but I just wanted to make a video on it real quick while I still got it. I posted up on Marketplace, and any day now I should be selling. So yeah, we on this stretch right now and we about to go for a ride, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, I'm about to take y'all with me. And yeah, let's go. Do not judge me. I know to ride the quad, but dirt bike is totally different, you know what I'm saying? So I'm not gonna do nothing crazy, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, let's go. If I could make that, I think I probably could make that low key. I probably could. I'm gonna get a good angle. Damn, my finger hurt from holding this clutch in. God damn, this shit is way harder than my freaking quad. Like the clutch feels way harder. Yes sir, we hit that. That wasn't bad. Woo! Damn, my fucking finger. That wasn't bad at all. That was fun. I'm gonna hit it again. Damn, I gotta take a break. Woo! My fingers, man, they freaking hurt. I'm holding the clutch in the gas. Damn, it's way harder than my dirt bike. I gotta get used to that. I mean, that my quad. Woo! Wait, let me make sure I even got gas, cause last time I ran out of gas. My girl not even home, so I gotta be careful. Yeah, I got some gas. All right, bet. Let's try that other side. Over there. I can try doing a launch. The launch controlling this is crazy. So to do the launch control, you gotta hold the starter down. They gonna see that purple light blinking. Now I can hit launch control. Woo. God damn! Yo! 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 Oh my god! I almost flew off of that. Oh my god! Maybe I should hit it over there. Low key, I'm gonna hit it over there. Alright, so gotta hit the launch right here. So hold the starter down. See an orange light popping up? That's it. I mean, I have to launch it. I'm scared. Leaning forward. Yeah, that bitch popped up. That bitch popped up. Do it one more time. Maybe I should ease into it. Yeah, I didn't go all the way out. Nah, that bitch is popping up. Kind of scared of it. Bro, I love this bike, man. Better hit that. Feel the climb again. I wonder what's under there. I wonder if it's just straight mud. So I'm gonna go in there, I'm gonna hit that with my quad, not with this. Whew. Shit is way too sketchy on the trails, man. Damn, but this thing is so nice, man. It's so pretty, like the red. It just looks so good on this bike. Oh my god. Oh nah, that's way. I was gonna hit that. I'm trying to get this way too dirty. I wanna try the race mode. So if I hold it down, it should blink 3 times. 1, 2, 3. There we go. Alright, I heard this is the race mode and I heard it's crazy. I never tried it before because this was off when I bought it and I just fixed it. So cool, yeah. Oh my god. Oh my god. That shit is insane. That shit is insane. I'm even scared to even go on the freaking air for this shit. Oh my god, that shit is insane. About this though, and I heard it's like pretty common in the 2023 models, the front suspension feels kind of stiff. Like it feels real stiff. Like I gotta adjust it. I'm gonna take it out of race mode. That shit is a lot, and I don't have to like run more fuel. The suspension is pretty stiff. Yeah, that's race mode. guys, hope y'all enjoyed that video. That's a little quick ride on the 250. I just want to show y'all. Man, I love this thing, man. But if you want to see more videos on the bike while I still have it, let me know and I'll post some more. You know what I'm saying? Peace.